Student, here we will discuss very new term hapticity in organometallic compound. I am Veena Dikshit. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, share with your friends, and please comment and like button you have to press. Hapticity describes how many atoms from the ligand are directly bonded to a metal center. Okay, if two atoms are bonded directly, so we'll call hapticity is 2. See here, eta 2. This is represented by this word sign. This is Greek letter and it is known as eta and followed by a number. So means this is called eta 2. This is called eta 3, eta 5. Like this, eta 1. Okay, only one carbon is bonded to metal. So here hapticity describe how many atoms are ligands directly bonded to metal center. So here n eta, this is eta, hapticity Ha. Okay, hapticity is denoted using Greek letter. Eta 2 means alkene is there, a metal atom is bonded to two carbon atoms of an alkene double bond, as we have seen in JC salt. You have seen, okay, and in case of other JC salt, it is bonded to double bond alkene, so this is called eta 2. Both the carbon are bonded to central metal atom. If it is replaced by palladium, then also it will be eta 2. Okay, because it is analogy of the JC salt. Now we'll go for N3 allyl. A metal atom is bonded to 3 carbon atoms of an allyl group. And eta 4 ferrocene, we have seen that sandwich-like structure. So all 5 carbons are bonded to Fe. So the cyclopentadienyl rings are bonded to the iron atom through 5 carbon atoms each. So hapticity is eta 5. Hapticity is eta 5. Why? Because all 5 carbons are bonded to Fe. Okay, so here allyl, you understand, eta 2 alkene, as I told you in GC salt. Okay, this is eta 2 alkene is there, eta 2 alkene bonded to Pt, platinum, central metal atom of transition element. Allyl, I told you, eta I told you, ferrocene, here in ferrocene Fe metal is there, Fe is central metal atom, and eta 5, these 5 carbons are bonded to iron. Clear? Sandwich like structure. And eta 1, that is alkyl group. A metal atom is bonded to single atom of an alkyl group. For example, CH3Bu. You can write down here lithium, methyl lithium. Okay,